So now let us see an important thing, which is the evaluation of expressions in Java. Suppose I have a single simple expression says int x is equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5. So what value this generates? Now this will depend upon whether it is grouped as this, which generates 0, or it is grouped as this, which generates 10. So depending upon how the expressions are grouped, the result will be different. So in Java, the expressions, they are calculated from left to right, and we just in a moment see what rules govern the expressions of Java. So in this case, the operator on the left is evaluated before the operator on the right, so we get a result which is 10 minus 5 minus 5, which is 0. Oh, we haven't printed x. So this is what result we get. Now in case I have 10 plus 5 multiplied by 5. Now again, if I say that the rule applies that the expression is to be calculated from left to right, so this will become 10 plus 5, 15 into 5. So this becomes 75. But the result comes out to be 35. So now how this result 35 has come is, it is 10 plus 25. Now why this has been evaluated first rather than the addition? So this is a chart which shows the precedence of operators, how the operators are evaluated in an expression. So this will depend upon the order of the operator within this table. Now the higher the operator is, the more precedence it holds in the expression. So as we can see, the multiplicative operator or the divide operator, it is on a higher scale than the additive operator. So this will get higher precedence than the operator which is additive or subtractive. So this is what is evaluated prior to addition. So we get a result which is 24. Now in case I group this, we get the result which is 75. Now this is again following the rule. As we can see, the brackets, they come the highest order at the top, and this is how these are taken care of. So as brackets, they come at the highest priority on the precedence table, so this will 10 plus 5, 15, and then it will be multiplied by 5. So it comes out to be 75. Now we get another thing which is associativity. Now associativity comes into picture when there are two operators which are on the same level on the precedence table. Suppose I have addition and subtraction. They are on the same level on the precedence table, as we had earlier seen the example, which was 10 minus 5 minus 5. So in this case, both minus, they are on the same level on the precedence table. So which minus gets evaluated first, this or this? So we see the associativity. Now associativity says that the minus operator is from left to right. So the minus on the left will get evaluated before the minus on the right. So this is the meaning of associativity. When it says this is left associative, so this means the operator which is on the left will get a higher precedence than the operator which is on the right, in case it is left to right. In case it is right to left, as in case of unary increment decrement operators, it will be taken as from right to left. Now we'll see more examples for this. Now let us first see the rule that governs the Java evaluation of expressions. The rule number 1, it states that for any operand, for any operator, the first rule is for any operator, the left hand operand will be evaluated before the right hand operand. And the rule number 2 says that all the operands are guaranteed to be evaluated before the operator is executed. So this means in case I have int x is equal to 10 and I say int y is equal to x plus plus say multiplied by x minus minus. So in case I see the precedence table, let us put one as post and one as pre. Now the post increment, it has a higher precedence than the pre-increment. So in this case, as per the precedence, the value will come out to be, first this evaluates, so this will come out to be 10, then the value in the memory becomes 9, and this again will become 10 multiplied by 10. So this will come out to be 100. And however, for Java it is evaluated as the left hand operand, which is this, multiplied by the right hand operand. So for the operator multiply, this is the left hand operand, so this will be evaluated prior to this. So plus plus x will mean 11, and this will be multiplied by again 11, and the result will come out to be 121 rather than 100. So I just print this. So this is the result is 121 rather than 100. Now another way to get more better understanding of this is if I say int y is equal to x equal to 3 plus x. Now what comes for y and what comes for x? Now y will come out to be x equal to 3, so here it comes out to be 3, and then plus again x, which is 3, so it comes out to be 6 rather than 10 plus 3, which is 13. So as you can see, the result comes out to be 6, which is 3 from the left hand side, and then x being assigned 3, again adding x will become 6. So the result for this expression will come out to be 6. So another example we can take to have a more clear understanding of this is that if I say boolean b is equal to initially say false and b, or let have int x is equal to 5. In case I say b is equal to x equal to x plus plus, so whatever the value of this expression, double equals x plus plus, and I am printing b. So whatever the evaluation of this expression, which is x equals x plus plus. Now for an expression which is double equal, so this is the left hand side. So in case the left hand side is evaluated first, we have 5, double equals again 5, and then in memory x becomes 6. So this 5 double equals 5, which is true. So we get true. And in case I reverse the positions, I say x plus plus double equals x. Now what happens is x substituted here as 5, then in memory it becomes 6, and double equals becomes 6. So this comes out to be false now. So this is so for a Java expression, it is always calculated from left to right for any operator, and all parts of an expression, they are calculated beforehand before the system evaluates the expression as a complete. So this means that in I say y is equal to x plus 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 x minus minus plus minus minus x minus plus plus x. So this means the system will first calculate 1, 2, 3 and 4, all 4 values before it will calculate the plus or negative. So this will first substitute the values of all the 4 values. Say x plus plus will be 5 plus x minus minus will be 6 plus minus minus x will be 4 minus again 5. So it will first substitute every operand's value before any plus or negative takes place. Now this is what we mean by all operands are guaranteed to be evaluated before the operator is executed, and the only exception being the logical operators double and double OR. So only in this case the second operator is not guaranteed to be evaluated, whereas in the rest of all the conditions they are guaranteed to be evaluated before any plus or minus or any operator is evaluated. So in this case we can see the value of y comes out to be 5 plus 6 11, 4 15, minus 5 10. So this comes out to be 10. So then we have left associative and right associative. We have already seen left associativity, which is calculation of the expression from left to right. Now let us see what happens for a right associative. In case I say int y is equal to x equal to 7. So in this case what will happen is first x will be assigned 7, and in case I have another variable, say z is equal to 3, I can say this. So in this case what happens, z is assigned 7, then z is assigned to x, and then x is assigned to y. So this is in a form of this sort of grouping. So as you can see that this is evaluated from right towards left. So this is the pattern of the evaluation, and you can already see the assignment works from right to left. So writing this means all x, y and z, they all become 7. So this is how it works. This comes out to be 7. So this is how precedence and associativity works for Java. Now these two rules we must keep in mind for any evaluating any expression. So many times we have this confusion of the higher precedence of any operator, and we seem to ask why this is not evaluated first and the left hand side is why it is evaluated earlier than that, is for the rule number 1, which says that for any operator we have to have the left hand side evaluated before the right hand side. So I hope this clears all confusions regarding precedence of operators and the associativity of operators.